Hello lovely people, today's video is a very exciting one because I'm gonna be showing you how I got this full face of makeup using only tiny makeup. And I mean, I used makeup products that are so small and tiny and cute and adorable. These are all travel sized products. They are adorable. I think that I said, oh look how adorable is that, like 50 times throughout this video. Just the size of this product, it makes me happy. I don't know why, but anyways, I've seen videos like that around YouTube and I really wanted to try out this challenge myself. So I hope you guys enjoy watching. I hope you like the look, and without losing any time, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is going to be so much fun. I'm gonna actually use the babies of my makeup products. Oh, here's what I mean. Mom, baby. Check out this one. Mom, baby. You get the idea. So adorable. So I'm gonna start off by priming my face. I'm gonna use this what is this? Benefit Specialist Instant Comeback Facial Serum. Okay. The full size has a pump. This one doesn't. If it had, imagine how tiny it would be. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna pour some product from this little tiny packaging. Here we go. Whoa, wow, that's very liquidy. Slowly, slow. Okay, too much. I guess I need to just pin those little pieces of hair back. This feels so cooling. And it smells so good. I gave the full size to my mom because she really likes moisturizing products like this one, and she's really enjoying it. And I'm left with the baby one. If you think that it couldn't get any more adorable than this, you're wrong. Check out this brightening eye cream by Benefit. Tiny. It's tiny. And this looks like a real glass, is it? Feels like plastic, but it looks like glass. I don't know. I'm confused. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna apply this on my eyes. I usually use my fingers when applying skincare products, but I'm just in the studio, my hands are dirty, I don't want to get any bacteria on my face, so that's why I'm using clean brushes instead. I prefer my fingers, it's just my hands are dirty now. I always wash them before starting to film a video, but you know, I fixed my hair a little bit, I was touching stuff around the studio, and I don't know, I don't want to touch my face now with my fingers. Moisturized and happy. So now moving on to the primer, I really want to get rid of those little pieces of hair, you guys. Just love me as I am, okay? Now moving on to the primer, this is the Benefit Professional Pearl Primer. And this is again a tiny packaging. The full-sized product is like about this big. This one is pretty tiny. What? Oh, no. Now I don't have a tiny foundation for today, so I'm just gonna go ahead, apply my foundation, conceal my blemishes, and I'm gonna be back to you so that we can move on to the brows. And for the brows, I have some really cute products that will melt your heart. Alright, now let's do some comparing first because I'm really enjoying it. This is the Ka-Brow by Benefit full size, and this is the travel size, the baby one. Oops, I dropped the baby. This is the travel size and full sized. Cute. Very cute. If you thought that the Gimme Brow was tiny, oops, there is even a tinier version of it. Check it out. My heart is melting right now. It's like, oh my god, I can't stand all of this adorableness. Is there a word, adorableness? Never had to use a word like that before. And I also have oh my god, I'm dying. I also have a small version of the Goof Proof pencil, which looks like that. To be honest, this doesn't look that cute. It looks like they could be sisters, not a mother and a child. So I'm gonna start off with the Gimme Brow. Oh, I'm using the shade 3. The one is exactly the same like the full-sized one, so that's good. I'm just gonna brush through my eyebrows. This is the pencil. The only difference is that it just doesn't have a wand on the one end. It's almost the same size. I'm being so extra with my brows today. I usually don't use like so many products on my brows, but today is a different kind of video. It's a different kind of makeup. It's all about being extra while using minimal sized products. Oh, so sophisticated. Okay, moving on to the brow. Oh my god, look at it, it's so tiny. I feel like I said tiny so many times throughout this video. Alright, here we go. It's hard to get my brush inside there. I don't know if you can tell, but we're definitely going for some dramatic brows today. For the eyes today, I have these three little, like literally little, eyeshadow palettes by Zoeva. They're like the small travel version of the full-sized eyeshadow palettes. Like look, this is the full size, this is the baby. However, we don't have all of these colors included in the travel size. You can definitely tell that some colors are missing in here, but I mean, that doesn't really bother me. I like the colors that they chose to include in the travel-sized version of this one. I think that they included some key colors from the full-size palette, so we are all good. I like small palettes, you guys. They're so convenient. You can travel with them so easily. So these are three different eyeshadow palettes. I just wanted to see the colors so that I can kind of get an idea what I want to do today, because I have nothing in my mind. I feel like we're definitely going to do something more natural, something more warm. I don't want to mix different colors from the three palettes. I just want to pick one palette and create a look with it. I think that I'm going to use the Cocoa blend, this one. Oh, look how cool packaging. I'm going to start off with the shade called Substitute for Love. Just going to blend that in my crease. You guys know how much I love the Zoeva eyeshadows. They are so easy to blend. They feel so creamy, so soft, and I don't know, I just really enjoy applying them on my eyelids. Okay, next up I'm gonna take the shade called Freshly Toasted, this one right here. I'm using a clean brush. This is Sigma E25. I want to use it to make my crease look even more defined. Taking a big fluffy brush, this is the Zoeva 228, just gonna run it through those colors and make sure that all of the harsh lines are blended out. Now I'm taking a flat brush. I'm just gonna make it a little bit damp by spraying it with the Ofra Makeup Fixer. I'm gonna dip it in this shade here. Ooh. Now I'm gonna switch to my finger. That's way better. Wow. I'll also take some of this berry shade, which is right next to it. Again, I'm gonna use my finger and I'll add that in the outer corner of my eye. Oh, I absolutely love how this look is coming out. Now I'm gonna take a blending brush and diffuse those shimmery shades into my crease. Blending them out so that there is no harsh line between my crease and my lid area. I usually don't do that warm eye looks on me. I prefer the more cool toned ones, but this one came out so nice. It reminds me of summer, of the sunset, and as you can tell, I also added some eyeliner because I love winged eyeliner. I didn't really have a eyeliner in small packaging, so I used the Balm winged eyeliner, one of my all-time favorite eyeliners. And now let's go ahead and finish up the look by adding some eyeshadows along the lower lashes. I'm mixing these two colors here on a pencil brush. This is the Sigma E30, and keeping it mainly in the outer half of my eye. Like this. I'll use that first bright eyeshadow from the palette to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone. For mascara, I have this one here by Tarte, and I don't have the full size, and I've also never tried this mascara before, so I'm excited to give it a go. Oh, that really separates my lashes. Oh, sorry, I'm out of focus. I'm really happy with how it coats my lashes. It separates them very nicely, and it feels like it coats every single lash very evenly. My lashes don't stick together, which is nice. I love how this mascara made my lashes look. I don't have the longest lashes ever. Mascara always helps a little bit, but yeah, I wish I had longer lashes. However, this mascara made them look pretty long. I like that. Done with the eyes, moving on to the face. I used so many Benefit products today. It was not intentional. They just have a lot of travel-sized products. It's not my fault. This is their Hula bronzer. Oops. What? They also have a tiny brush inside there? They took it way too far. They even made a travel-sized brush. Like, what? Good job, Benefit. I usually use the light Hula bronzer. This one may be a little bit too dark for me, but I'm gonna try it out. I haven't used the original Hula bronzer in a while, so I wanna see how it will look on me. For highlighter, I'm gonna use this liquid highlighter by the Balm. This highlighter can also be used as an eyeshadow. Like, when that highlighter dries on the skin, when it sets into the skin, it won't move for the whole day. So you can also use it as a eyeshadow. Oh, this look is so summery. I'm so ready for the summer. Like so ready. This highlighter sets into the skin pretty quickly, so you need to be fast when blending it. You don't wanna let it sit on your skin unblended for way too long, because after that you have hard time blending it out. Boom boom. Oh, that's too much for the nose. Need to tone it down a little bit. Let's also put some of the Benefit Dandelion highlighter on top of it. Again, we have a small baby brush. This is the mom and this is the kid. Oh. I love comparing them. It just feels so good. So satisfying seeing the difference. A little more highlighter never hurt nobody. That's a fact. Oh, yeah. I'm not gonna wear any falsies today. I don't feel like wearing. I really like the mascara. I feel like I need some blush, but I would like to use a powder one. I don't have a blush in a powder form in a mini packaging, so instead I would try to use this Ink Cheek by Peripera. It's like a liquid blush. If you think that this is a dropper, you're wrong. It's not. It's a doll foot. My brain was confused too. I don't want to use a lot. Like, honestly, I'm scared of using cream blushes, but I'm gonna try. I just want to add some color on my face. I used this blush in an Instagram video and it worked pretty good. It just adds very natural color onto the face, and it also gives you a little bit of a glow, which I absolutely love. Oh, I think that I overdid it. I'll spray my face with the baby version of the All Nighter by Urban Decay. Look at this packaging. We're going to finish up this look with one of the most adorable products that I've used today. Check it out. This is a lipstick by the brand Beauty Bakery, and it's tiny. It's very small. This is by a different brand, it's by Milk, but I just want to compare them. See, it's small, you can't deny that. Tarte also has this lipstick in a very cute packaging, and it's quite small as well, like they're similar sizes. But I'm gonna use the Beauty Bakery one. I've never used it before. I don't know what to expect, but this color is beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I had so much fun creating this look with all of those tiny little products. I think that the smallest one from all of them is actually the eye cream. But yeah, see, you can create a full face of makeup using only travel sized products. I mean, these products are meant for traveling, right? You're meant to take all of these products when you're traveling so that you can do your makeup, so that you can save some space. And we proved that it's actually possible, except for the foundation. But I'm sure that there is a brand out there that offers a travel-sized foundations and powders and concealers. I mean, I don't know about concealers. I've never seen a travel-sized concealer. Have you guys seen? Let me know down in the comments. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I really love how the look came out. If you like it too, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press that bell button right next to the subscribe button, because if you do, you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. You can also go ahead and check out my Instagram. I post some bonus makeup tutorials on there, some really quick ones. And you can also find me on my Facebook and Twitter. All of the links will be down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!